Invisibility Cloak. Watch, my hand goes inside the paper tube just like this. 3. Just like that. Come right back in. Magically teleport to the other side. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Watch the card.
Hello. Float through midair. See them link together.
Watch. Oh, magic! I am your host, Debonair. Today, my daughter Ava and I are showing you how to teleport.
He's a teleporter.
So if you're ready to learn how to teleport like magic, hit that thumbs up button for us, and let's go! Okay, check this out. I have a magic curtain here. All I have to do is raise the curtain up. Check this out. I'm just going to hold it right here, and you can see I am still here. So check this out. You'll see it happen on the count of 3. Just watch the curtain. 1, 2, 3. Voila! I'll teach you how to teleport just like this right now. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and we'll teach you how it's done right now. Here's what you're gonna need to set this trick up. You're gonna need a couple of thumbtacks, a blanket or a tablecloth big enough to cover your entire body, and a piece of string which you're going to tie in place on one of the corners of the tablecloth or the blanket, just like this. You need to be standing in a doorway for your spectators to see this. They need to be on the other side of the doorway. This is the backside cutaway view here. So we're holding up the tablecloth or the blanket like this to cover ourselves, and what we're gonna do is use the thumbtacks to hold it in place. Now that the thumbtacks are holding it in place, it looks like you're holding the blanket up. You're gonna do that as you raise it up. You're just gonna stick the thumbtacks in place, and then you have the string tied right here. So as I hold the curtain up like this, I stick the thumbtacks in place. I then move to the side and hold the string. I use this hand to make some motion on the blanket to make it look like I'm still there. I'm stepping off to the side, getting ready to do the countdown 3, 2, 1. Then I pull the string, pulling the thumbtacks out and making it look like I vanish. While their attention's there, I'm secretly slipping out the door and walking around the side of the building to surprise them from behind. You'll have to kind of study the layout of your house and figure out the best place to do this. But it's a super cool way to create the illusion of teleporting at home. Okay, watch. This is the magic teleporting coin trick. So I have a coin right here. Pay attention to the coin. It's going to get flipped up in the air. I grab it like this. The coin magically vanishes and teleports to the other hand. The first thing you're going to need for this trick is some adhesive spray. This is a craft bond spray, just a multi-purpose adhesive that you can use for craft projects. The second thing you'll need is a coin, and the third thing you'll need is a duplicate coin. That is a coin that looks exactly like your other coin. So you need 2 coins that look identical and your adhesive spray. Here's how you're going to set this up. On one of your hands, I prefer to use my dominant hand, which is my right hand. You're just going to put a little spray of the adhesive just like that. So once you have a bit of the adhesive spray on your skin, and don't worry about this hurting your skin, you can just easily peel this adhesive off, kind of like rubber cement. You can just roll your finger across like this, and it will kind of just roll off your skin like this to remove it. So now you have this sticky pad on your palm. This is what we're going to use to make it look like the coin disappears in our hand. So one coin starts out in your left hand, concealed like this in what's called finger palm. This is just a position where you hold the coin, your hand kind of looks natural, and it looks like it's just hanging at your side. Then on cue, you're going to produce the coin from your hand just like that to make it look like it teleported to this hand. The other coin is held in your sticky hand just like this. You're gonna flick it up into the air, and when you catch it, all you're going to do is stick it to your palm just like that. You're gonna press it with this finger, then immediately turn your hand over as you press and extend all your fingers out to make it look like the coin is just completely vanished. We know that it's just stuck to the bottom of the hand. But as soon as you've made it vanish on this side, you're going to produce it from the other hand, so the attention will go away from this hand right to the coin over here, and it will look to the audience as though the coin is just magically teleporting to the other hand. It's an invisibility cloak. So this is a simple video editing trick. The only thing you need is a green screen and some video editing software. This is just a piece of green fabric, and you can use a plugin called Keyer in your video editing program to key out this green screen and make the background appear behind it. So if I'm holding it like this, all I have to do is key it out, and it looks like a cloak of invisibility. So I can just magically disappear. So you can use this for all sorts of cool video tricks. Try it out at home and send the video to your friends and family to convince them that you can magically teleport. Okay, watch my hand. Watch the hand with the glove on it. See the paper tube? Watch, my hand goes inside the paper tube just like this. And see it teleport to the other side. Watch. Come right back in just like that. Okay, here's what you need to set up the magic teleporting hand trick. So you need 2 gloves. You need 2 identical gloves. One is going to go on your hand, just like that. And the other glove you're going to stuff with cotton or paper towels or something to just make it look like it's full, like it has a hand in it. Your next step is to take the cardboard tube from a wrapping paper roll. You're gonna use that, you're gonna insert it in the end of the glove, just like this. The next thing you'll need is some tape to run a piece right around the glove, just like this, to hold it in place. The next thing you'll need is a long tube or a box. This is just a piece of poster board that we rolled up and taped right here. This creates a nice paper tube like this. Then you're going to take your fake hand on the end of the paper towel roll and insert it into the tube. So the key is to make sure the hand stays hidden inside the roll, just like this. Stays hidden right in there. And then on the other side, you have the other end of the wrapping paper roll. So when your hand goes in, you're simply going to contact the cardboard tube right here, and it looks like your gloved hand is just magically teleporting to the other side of the tube. And see it teleport to the other side. Watch. Come right back in just like that. Okay, for this one I have the screen set up here. This is a really cool trick, so check this out. I'm over here on this side of the screen, obviously, but watch. If I put my hand through the screen like this, you can see my hand come out on the other side of the screen. Now watch, I'll pull it back. Again. That cool? Watch. I'll take it a step further. Magically teleport to the other side. I'm gonna go back. Back to the other side. One more time, I'll show you. Watch, I'll walk through this time. Going back to the side. And back out to the other side. Want to learn the secret? Here's how it's done. The secret to this trick is finding a good double. That is someone who looks exactly like you.
And the only way that I know how to do it is to find you a bloody good double.
So I'd like all of you to meet David. He was my double for this trick. Looks a lot like me. What's up, guys? Thanks for helping out. No problem. It's just a simple timing thing. You and your double will stand on either side of the screen. David is obviously hiding over there. I'm here, and as I step behind the screen, he steps out on his side. It looks like I'm just magically teleporting through the screen. It's crazy looking. And the hand thing is just the same. As I put my hand out like this, he puts his hand out at the same time. So since he's standing over here behind the screen with me, he can see the timing of when I put my hand over and knows when to put his hand out. Magically teleport to the other side. Alright guys, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it on your social media with someone who you think might like it. All the sharing really does help. All the likes really do help on the video. So if you take the time to do that, we really do appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright guys, it is giveaway time. I'm giving away 10 mystery items from EvanEraTV.com to 10 lucky comments in the comment section down below. All you have to do to be eligible to win the giveaway is hit the thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. You can leave as many comments as you want on the video. The more comments you leave, the better your chances of winning. We'll be picking random comments and mailing out the magic to you so that you can perform these amazing illusions for your friends. So head over to EvanEraTV.com, check out all the new merch, and leave me a comment down below and let me know which magic trick you want to win. Alright, it is time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are appearing magically on the screen right here. Send me an email with your full mailing address to this email address. Be sure to include your name, your full mailing address, and which video's giveaway you won. Thank you so much for your support on this channel. I really do appreciate it. Doing these giveaways on every video video is just a small way for me to give back to you. Thank you for all of your support, your encouragement, and your love on this channel. If you're new to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We make new magic videos like this every single week. If you missed the last episode of How to Magic, it's right over there. And until next time, remember that anything is possible.
As long as you stay positive,
Work hard, and laugh.